it's like when clears go straight or something.
You know, I just made the connection. There's lotion and alcohol all over the counter. 2 bottles of lotion and fucking alcohol. Oh, this is gonna make the people on YouTube laugh, that's for sure. I'm fucking recording this shit.
How long is it? From here down?
How long?
Whatever I can do.
I could never do that. I'd puke by the time I got like 5 sips in.
Rock and roll.
What the fuck? You're like molesting my sister with the gopher grabber.
You're molesting my sister right in front of me.
With the grabber. Chris. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You look like you're trying to...
Are you making a video?
Yeah. Yeah. That's a good song. Wake up in the morning.
I need it. You need to drink that beer because I want to make all the beer drinkers so you can just bring down the bottle quickest.
That's not gonna work out.
But, come on, no one will do it. Some of it can. Well, yeah, because you can't cut a hole in the bottle. This is the hottest song in the world. There it is.
And I don't feel like dancing when the doors are
I already. I did it before.
That bag is gonna fucking jingle carrying it outside.
Are you still recording? How long is that shit?
Well, I got a 4 gig card in there, so I can record up to an hour's worth, but YouTube only...
Did you open up that shit? I opened that fucking beer, it's gone now. That's a lie. No.
He did.
That from a bottle, dude. Dude, I opened the shit.
I just fucking watched him do it.
Do it again.
He's in the bar.
You like your fucking nuts, I mean, what the hell do I look like, an alcoholic? Wait, you are going to rehab, so... Hey, I gotta look like a rock star. Alright, hey, look like a rock star. Whoop, whoop, buzzing, suck it.
Oh my god.
Oh, what's that? You know, the guy got the first beer, I quit.
Yeah, he's gonna let it get down in his esophagus.
Even though you didn't see that shit, I just played the whole shit like a The whole point of doing it. Whoa! Good warning.
I said queen.
Wait, hang on. Use this guy right here.
Oh my god! Fucking animal!
Woo! That's right. You know what? I love this grabber. All these little things like this. No, we don't suck at you. It's all over me. Whoa! There's still some in there. Alcohol abuse right there. That's all you.
No! CD skip.
You're crazy. You know what?
Keith, seriously.
There you go, buddy. 3 beers in a row in 5 minutes. Wow, I bet you feel like shit.
Probably.
I tell you, I'm throwing up. You're not they don't throw up at all. Woo! I'm not getting dead when we run down the road.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
This is changing again.
Probably.
That's a fucking drag queen. I'm
Look at this fucking guy.
That's a girl. I fucking shit out her. She's only like
For
$258.52. That's how much it costs to fuck her.
These are the government all the time.
I was just thinking that. There you go, Nick. How about that guy? He's got it all right there. He gets great head. He's just got to kiss him on fucking Nick and probably give me a. He's only gonna give me
Kiss the
100.
rabbit. He's like, oh, kiss the rabbit.
Just kiss the rabbit, dude. Hang on. Kiss the rabbit. Have you heard of that? Kiss the rabbit.
What?
Kiss the rabbit? Oh, you know. See, I've learned some new terms. I thought I've been around everything.
You never heard of that?
No. Kiss the rabbit at all.
You see that? You got the ears and well, I got the ears.
I'm pretty sure you know what the rabbit is. Well,
I
figured out what the fucking
rabbit.
I got Peter Cottontail down, but other than that, I've never heard of it. Okay, hey, you guys are getting crazy. You guys are getting Give me my beer. All I gotta say is fuck you, bitch. Oh my god, that's a good song.
Okay.
Y'all never heard Grace Kelly? I have. Somebody cooked some chicken drums.
I think those are my mom's or something. I
I've
don't
already
know.
had your mama's chicken chunks, trust me. Aw, I should've said that. I love your mama.
If you want to go down that road, man, by all means, but make sure I'm not in the house.
Nick, you're slowing down for drinking, for having alcohol in front of you.
What? Oh, 'cause I'm getting sick of beer.
I'm a beer queer.
I know, I've heard you say that quite a few times.
You talk to your sister, I was about to make you a fucking strong ass shot of vodka and whatever, but your sister, like,
The
barely.
party is ending.
I know, we need more fucking vodka. And we're out of tequila.
So whatever you
So-
do it now.
Have you ever heard the song or not?
No.
5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god, I want that so bad. It's not funny. He's cute. I mean, there's comedians.
Okay.
My second boyfriend. He never took my fucking number down. Like, I wanted to for the fucking, her bang shit.
Uh-huh.
I was walking in, like, I couldn't find it, but I was walking in, she's like, Keith, how do you 8? I'm like, oh, girl, you want my number already? Damn, I'm good. So my best friend, he's straight as hell. We fucked around a little, like, not like sucking or fucking, but we'll grab each other, rocking or
Yeah.
ass, like I said last time we had a party, I got shit all over my shorts. I'm like, fuck, I took off my shorts, Mike. Then I had a t-shirt. I said, oh, that don't match my gym shorts, because boxer parts of that black boxers on. He said, okay. He had black boxers on, too. I need some pop.
That's such a shame the vodka's all gone.
Huh?
It's such a shame the vodka's all gone.
I want to make some good. I can't, you know, in my bartending.
There's like nothing. We got mango and beer. And a little grenadine. Ugh.
But, you know, I'm a bartender. If it tastes good, trust me, we're going to do it.
Okay, well I'm gonna wrap up this little YouTube video. Cause I'm fucking drunk and I'm about to get some fucking alky.